Let's get it. Drop. Top. Drop. Top. What you doing?
Drop the top.
Yeah.
Drop the top.
Drop.
Top.
Drop.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, JamesAtkinsTv, and you already know I'm back with another video, man. And in today's vlog, I'm going to be headed to a GAS ATL car meet. Listen, I've been waiting for the opportunity to get to go to a car meet when the sun is out. There's no cold weather. It doesn't rain that much down here as compared to Seattle, but I'm super excited to actually get out and go to a car meet. I was planning on going to a cruise, I think last week as well, because it was quite warm then. But nonetheless, I didn't get a chance to go, but we're gonna get that video going today. Now, if you watched the last video, I told you guys that my car is technically illegal, all right? I have some, I got the window tint done, and I was riding around without a license plate. I still have not taken the license plate off, the dealer tag off. So I'm gonna do that now. And since it's such a nice day, I'm actually gonna take the top off for the very first time as well. So let's just give you guys a quick walk around, because in my last video, I was told I didn't give you guys a look of the tint. I didn't give it, you know what I'm saying, guys, an adequate look of it. So apologies for the wind noise. But this is the tint on the car. 35% on the window. I'm sorry, 15% on the driver and passenger window, 35% on the windshield. It looks super dark on camera, but I promise you guys it's not that dark. I'll get on the inside and show you what it looks like on the inside. I also cleaned it up a little bit because I knew I was gonna be pulling up next to some real foreign cars, so I took the opportunity to clean up the tires a little bit, wheels a little bit. So as you can see, I still have the license plate on there. So let me get in here and take these off real quick. And also, because I have been taking my time with driving it, I also still have the plastic floor mats on the inside. I want to take these out. I'm going to actually put in the actual floor mats that are in the trunk. And they give them to you actually. They give you the stuff that you need all in the trunk of the vehicle. So I probably got to pretty much put those in the car. I might as well leave this up since I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Finally took the top off first time with the top off. I put the floor mats in the car as well. The passenger side floor mat, it fits a little weird. I don't know why it fits that way, but yeah. That's all done now. Let's get you guys mounted up now. I'm ready to hit the road. I'm late. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to finally hit the road. Let's just hope that the meet is still going. I'm pretty sure it will be. The meet was scheduled from 1 to 4. I did not want to be the first set of people there anyway. It's now 2:30, so I just want to make sure I don't miss any good content, I guess. All right, folks, I am on the road. Woo! Hopefully that wind noise isn't too loud, people. But man, it feels good to finally be able to take the top off of the C8. feels real good to take the top off. I can tell y'all that for sure. Nonetheless, I'm on the way to the car meet. Like I said, I am headed to GAS Atlanta, ATL. The car meet is in Tucker, Georgia. Let me make sure I'm telling y'all right. Yeah, the car meet is in Tucker, Georgia. And it says that I'm 37 minutes away. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am, I think, about 5 minutes away from the location. 3 minutes away. I guess it's right around the corner here, according to the GPS. So, like I said, I'm really interested in seeing what cars are gonna be here. This light is taking forever. Goodness, there we go. Finally. I got the PDR going right now as well. So you guys will see what I see when I pull up. Nice Camaro. Nice Camaro. I low-key, I miss my Camaro. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. If I would have been able to keep my Camaro and keep the Vette, I probably would have done it. But don't get me wrong, like, I'm enjoying the Vette a lot more for sure. This, I'm supposed to be 1 minute away, but I don't see any cars out here at all. Is it back behind one of the buildings maybe, or? Okay, 2 Mercedes just pulled out. So I gotta be close, right? This it? Okay, there's a lot of cars down this way. There's a lot of cars down this way, let's see. There's a yellow Mustang parked over here in the parking lot. Nice BMW. Challenger. Nice Mercedes. Where the car meet at though? Got some nice cars out here. Uh-oh. Nice little car meet. Let's see. I don't know where I should be going or how far down I can go, so. Nice. What's going on, boss? How far down can I go? Hey, y'all know how far that street go down?
I'm not sure. You don't go that far.
Oh, okay, so I should be turning around right here.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Watch out for traffic.
There's a lot of cars out here, folks. I kind of wanna keep going down more to see what's out here. That's what I kind of want to do. I really wonder if I can get right here behind. I'm thinking I might just get right here behind this Porsche. I'ma see. Let me see. I can go down this street. Well, I could get this spot right here though that this old guy just pulled out of. Matter of fact, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to just grab this spot right here, bro.
You got it, you're clear.
I'm just gonna grab this spot right here, and then I'll take the camera down and get some walk-arounds of the other vehicles that are out here right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and start that process. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I just parked the Vette. I'm gonna get a walk around this. It's like multiple streets out here. So I'm gonna just walk around and leave the car for a minute, and then I'll come back. Yeah, this is a nice little C7 behind me, actually, right here. I wanted to get vlog the C7. It's clean. C7 Z06. They got that bad boy sitting up there. Nice wicker bill on the back. Nice. How's it going, man? I'm gonna leave the Vette for a minute and come on back. I see what's going on as well. So don't be surprised if I actually end up leaving spots and moving my car down this way, because this is where the people are. And I don't want to really be on that side street that I'm on right now. There we go. Yes. This BMW right here, this bad boy clean. I like that color. It's a nice color on the BMW. Yeah, it's a really nice color on the BMW. You know what's crazy though? The cars that I expected to see out here, I don't even see them. I was expecting to see Lambos and Ferraris, and I'm really seeing mostly just Porsches and Beamers. There's a ton of BMWs out here. BMW, Beamer. There's a Alfa Romeo. There's a Porsche. Aston Martin over there. I'm almost certain that I'm about to bring my car down this way though. I'm almost certain that I'm about to bring my car down this way. I don't really want to be on that front street for real. I'd rather just park in the cul-de-sac and call that a day. Matter of fact, that's what I'm about to do, man. I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm about to move my car down and park in the cul-de-sac. That way I can see it. Let's do a quick switch. Look at the Tesla, man. They got the Tesla out here. Clean. Yeah. Tesla's nice. Parked next to the big body Beamer. It's a lot of BMWs out here. Now look, let me also clarify, like I knew I was coming to a GAS ATL event. So yes, BMWs are a journey. So like it's a foreign car. So this ZL1 mean. ZL1 is mean. Peter, if you're watching this video, flashback to when I told you I wanted to get the ZL1. ZL1 is mean, man. Instagram has called me Pepsi. The Porsche. It's the Aston Martin I was talking about. Got the Aston out here. Bar next to the Porsche. Porsche Spider. GT4. Yeah, GT4. Clean, man. The BMW i8. Only thing about the i8 that I can never tell is the difference in the year. I mean, obviously I'm not an i8 buyer. I'm not in the market for an i8, so I probably won't really understand or really be able to catch it out anyway, but the BMW i8s are nice.
I know when to say yes, ma'am. How do you keep your seats clean? Any dye bleed off on your jeans? I'm wearing black. That's the way to go.
Another nice Mercedes. They both send side by side V8 bi-turbos.
Let's translate that to this music. We got some technical coming up.
But like I kind of rather would have someone who like does.
That bad boy is loud. That bad boy sound good. Anyway, if you haven't already, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Here's a Bentley. Need to be clean, but it's a Bentley though, so guess what? He can do that. I don't even know if it's showing up in video, unless he's driving a Bentley though. So look, he can do that. This Bentley can be dirty. Nice little Aston. It's a lot of nice whips out here, guys. A lot of nice whips. I wanted to go to another car meet, and I think they're supposed to be doing like a cruise type of deal, but I'm undecided on whether or not I want to go. I didn't really expect to be out here recording videos and vlogs, but I'm out here making this content for you guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I decided not to go to the cruise that's at this other location because I heard that the cops are out there lurking, passing out tickets from another guy that is in the group, Facebook group. So that being said, I'm going to end this video here right now. If you haven't already, like I said, please be sure to drop a like on the video, comment down below, and as always, hit the subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the subscribe. Help grow the channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up as well, because that breaks the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, until the next one, man. Your boy out.